Hello out there in the digital world out there. How you doing tonight? It's Alan Lawson here. Here to bring you some more useful tips if you care to join and see what we got going on tonight. It's hope everybody's doing amazing tonight, this evening, today, this evening, this afternoon, wherever you're seeing this, whenever you're seeing this. I mean, who knows? It's dark where I'm at now, so good evening to all of you. Today I came in here to talk about the top 3 ways to increase your Facebook engagement. There's a lots of things you can do out there to increase your Facebook engagement. Your insights, people to see your stuff, eyes to be on you. I compiled a few different things that I found on the web when I was searching through, and see if we can get a few of these things out there and see if it'll help you guys create some more engagement on social media. Looking to improve your exposure, the more likes you get, the more comments, the more shares, the more likely it's all to be seen. Of course, the more likes you got, the more comments you got, the more shares you get, the more people Facebook's going to show it to. So there's some kind of algorithm of 20 people it shows it to, and if nobody sees those first 20 people, then you're not going to. It's not going to show it to anybody else. Like if those first 20 people don't engage. Just keep putting out content. They're going to see it. So let's see what we can do to help you. Number 1, create shareable content. It's simple. It says it's simple. It's create highly shareable content. Anything you like, you see that anything that relevant to your audience. Highly shareable content is relevant to the audience that you're delivering it to. If the audience you're delivering it to is likes the content, it makes them feel like they immediately compelled to share it, or they immediately want to get it out there, or teach it, or copy it, or model it. Then it's highly shareable content. That's the most engaging you're going to get in the posting world is the highly shareable content. Let's see, they get the instant urge. It could be some breaking news. It could be anything educational, to teaching you something, or just like something little that could teach you how to do something. It could also be something funny. We all know that cat videos and hilarious things get a lot of engagement and a lot of views. Try to gear it towards your product or service. That always helps a little, helps create a little more engagement. And anything that's going to make the audience look good to the others who share it. So, anything like that, they're definitely going to want to share it. Hey guys, how y'all doing tonight? Number 2, include a call to action. It's important to ask people to engage, like, comment, share, love, heart, anything like that. If it's as simple as inviting somebody to share a post, or inviting somebody to I mean, it's flattering to model things, but inviting them to share a post, or if you find value in this, please share it with your audience, or if you like it, if you don't like it, but whatever, give me a comment on something I can do to improve myself. Anything you can do to create an engagement between each other. Like I said, call to action. Let them a question, a poll, any kind of thing to create an engagement back and forth between you and said audience. And if it's around a holiday, you could ask them what their favorite memory is. If it's around a pet niche, you could ask them what their favorite memory was with their pet, or a pet, or if they had any run-ins with that, and anything like that modeled around your product, service, or anything like that. Number 3, Facebook Lives regularly. This is something that I have seen skyrocket people's influence, as long as they're doing it correct. You could plan out some content and try to start with 1 live a week. If you start 1 live a week, you can gain some of that confidence that you need to get on live, and you could just create. You'll have time to plan your stuff out. You'll have time to be able to, I don't know, create work on a few different subjects, or work on all week, work on one video, and that way you can try to perfect each video. Well, that's Facebook Live's not about perfection. Let me scratch that. Work on your titles, work on your call to actions, and then shoot the video. It's not a big deal, but at least schedule one live a week. Try to help create more engagement and more people's eyes on you. The ultimate goal here and trying to create call to actions, trying to get people to look at your products and services, and increasing your Facebook engagement is trying to get people to look at you, trying to get people engaged, get people interested in what you have to offer or interested in your story. If you plan it out, you can always, you could post engage, you can, try to comment and things before you go live. That way you can pull more people in. Interact before you go live. Create a schedule of when you're going live so you can create that consistency and your audience can see kind of when you're going to be out there doing your thing. And it's going to take time to build a live audience. Nothing's going to happen overnight with Facebook Lives. You can go live every day and shorten the span, but it's still going to take time to build a live audience. As long as you be persistent, practice, and eventually find your voice, then your fans will find you. You just got to keep doing it and keep doing it and keep going. There's no reason to slow down at all, especially if this is what you're trying to achieve. So all in all, I hope you guys got some value out of this. Out of these 3 tips I shared with you, these are some pretty heavy tips, but I've actually found I got a list of 6. I got 3 more tips to be able to share with you. If you want, I can shoot you a PDF of all 6 with some explanations behind them, like the ones that were in the video. That way it'll help you increase your own engagement on Facebook and get your own posts a little more out there, get more eyes on you. Feel free to reach out. If you would like, share, comment, give me any questions you've got on any kind of Facebook engagement. If you got any issues with anything I said and you got anything to add, great. Anybody who wants these tips, reach out and let me know. I hope everybody got a fantastic night or day, wherever you're at, and take care. Goodbye now. See you guys later.